Hello, my name is Jackman. I live in Bedford-Stuyvesant, Brooklyn. You understand? I was working for Harris Water Main Sewer Contractors for about, what, 26 years now? I came into company just like any young buck. I came in here young and cocky, But when they came in, I came in here with a rag and a bucket. You know what I'm saying? I was gonna get the cars to the garage and I would wash them, every day. Every day started at 6 o'clock. Sometimes I get work 5 minutes past 6 and whatever it is. But as soon as I get work, I'm gonna get that bucket in that hose.
Morning. What's up, man? How you doing? Morning.
Morning.
So, Mike, we're on 41st Avenue today,
Uh-huh.
right? 3-inch combined water.
Uh-huh.
See right here, on the plot plan, right? Connected to the existing 8-inch water main.
Uh-huh. Protected street?
It is a protected roadway, yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Arborist is already set up.
Okay. Do we have parking reserved for this one today? Or
Yeah, everything's saved. Highway is 7 to 6.
No? Okay.
All right. Elvis is already set to drop off all your plates and pick up the debris.
Okay.
Wet connection is set for tomorrow and final inspection for tomorrow.
Okay. Where are we coming in? All
Basically
right.
coming in right to the left of that tree.
Right left of that tree. All
Yeah.
right. So we have to walk. We have to put up tree protection.
Yep.
We have to walk down tree protection. All right.
And then it looks like on the drawings, ask the plumber if he wants us to come in with an elbow or just leave the valve straight.
All right.
Okay? I'm pretty sure we're just gonna come in straight and then they'll elbow off the bus. So we'll be out of here tomorrow. Set up for our wet connection, final inspection tomorrow.
All right.
All right. Good day. I'll be out there later on, check it out.
All right.
Have a good one.
All right. All right, big boss. Have a nice one.
Where are you from, Mike?
I'm Bajan.
Huh?
I'm from Barbados.
Barbados? When did you come to the States?
1989. And then I was working on the Steve, and Steve is no nonsense, That's the older generation. That's me Franklin worked on the Steve for years. Before Steve retired to step aside, and Steve, a lot of things you can't do with Steve. Steve is, Steve demands perfection. And they know Steve don't want 89%, no, Steve don't want 99, it's 100% he want. Sometimes you keep with 110. Right? But you know what? The good thing about it is Steve get in the trenches with the guys, you know what I mean? I ain't gonna sit here and say, oh, Steve was a tough boss. Steve get in the trenches with you. You understand? He gonna put his boots on. You know what I mean? He gonna work with you. He gonna eat with you too. You understand me? Then you go up there and Steve say, okay guys, we gonna stop at Steve buy 6. Steve will buy 5 boxes of pizza right now. Steve eat 2 of those boxes, Steve. He a ruffian, you know what I'm saying? I got respect to him. He a ruffian. He gonna get it out of all. He gonna lift that pipe. He gonna dig. You know what I'm saying? He rough. You know what I'm saying? If you're in a situation and you trying to get you certain things and it can't happen, Steve gonna make it happen. Steve gonna make it happen. We all got choices in life, you know what I mean? We all do. I gotta set an example for three young black men, 3 young kings. You know what I mean? When they step off of this earth, I don't want them to say, oh, my pop's gonna leave $1 million for me. But you know what? He taught me to be a man, you know what I mean? He put morals into me, responsibilities. Hey, what's going on?
What's up, man? How are you?
I'm good.
Oh, you guys are making good progress.
Yeah. Let's step over here. Let me see.
Well, hold on. Where are we at? What size main is that? 8-inch, right?
8-inch main.
All right, perfect. Oh, it's going to be a straight connection then?
Yeah, straight connection, yeah.
Okay. You want to show me where we're coming in?
And then we're going to dig. We're going to come in the same exact space. You know what I mean?
Gotcha.
Put the oil some valve, get them temporary water till they bring the plumber in, and then they do what they got to do after that.
Okay.
But then we gonna find it first and turn it off.
It shouldn't be too far from where you're digging.
Yeah, we're gonna make the tunnel look for it. If we have to dig another hole, we'll dig another hole. But we're gonna look for this first.
So you guys are still on pace for?
Yeah, we still on pace for tomorrow.
So what's the goal today? How much are we digging out today?
Today, I'd like to dig 100% today.
So you got a lot of digging to do that.
No, not really. I'm finished with the top hole already. Keep in mind, the city man already exposed.
So that's the longest part.
Yeah, longest part. Now we're gonna look for the top.
You're gonna raise it up a little bit?
Huh?
We're gonna raise it up a little bit?
Of course, you know what I mean? Keep in mind, when the back connection, go to the back connection, go on the side, so it's up. You know what I mean?
Size up, yeah.
So if you look at it, it's only like 4.5 feet deep.
Okay.
You know what I mean? And for the depth, you need 42 inches.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So,
Okay.
so that's on pace, that's good.
Right,
Anything over 5 feet is shoring, but we don't need a shoring.
So you should be able to rip through this side fairly quickly then?
Yeah, so I just gotta find this. Find these, expose these.
Okay.
You know what I mean? And then hopefully I'll talk to the owner and get him move this out of the way. Because keep in mind, I got a bring piece of pipe in here. You understand me? Long enough that I could go back there and go in here, open up all of this.
Oh, to get the flange?
Yeah. Because I can't push the flange from outside, I gotta push it from inside.
Well, I imagine they're gonna have to remove this anyway because they have the whole RPZ set up. It's gonna have to go somewhere.
So somewhere, so all this have to come
Actually,
out.
the drawing has it coming this way, but
You know what I mean?
it's close to the gas.
Yeah. It's not a problem, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's not a big deal to knock this out. I'm
Yeah.
sure it's no problem. The owner's here?
No, he was here, I think he'll be back.
Okay.
He was here earlier.
All right, as long as it's done by tomorrow.
Yeah, that's a goal.
Okay, good. Go back outside. Now, you're gonna start breaking out the rest of the job?
Yeah, I'm gonna break in the yard and I can excavate the gas and the electric and it's a quarter copper line so we can bring the machine and start evacuating inside the yard.
All right.
You know what I mean? I mean, it's kind of raising the bar a little bit, but we gotta do what we gotta do.
Yeah, we gotta get out of here tomorrow. It's important.
So that's why he's gonna start on that right now.
All right.
I got Franklin over there and then they're gonna
He's
start
looking for
over
the
there.
other tap.
Yeah, he's looking for the plug.
All right, just let
You know
Elvis
what I
know
mean?
if you need a
worst
plate.
come to worst, if you need a plate, we can call for a plate. So in the meanwhile, I can start working over here, you feel me?
Okay, so I'll book a PM inspection for tomorrow.
All right, we don't need a bunch of guys standing around doing nothing.
No, I
We
agree.
can keep it moving, you feel me?
All right,
So,
have a good day, man.
Thank you.
Thank you. Milton, have a good day. Cosmo.
All right, see you. All right.
Frankie.
every Sunday I go to the laundry. I don't wash my son's clothes. I make them wash their own. But I teach them. You understand me? I'd say, hey, this is when we put the soap in. This is when we put the sulfate fiber in. This is how you dry them. You understand me? We put the white separate. We put the jeans separate. You understand me? And they started like that. You know, and then sometimes now on a Sunday I will go. And I will sit and watch them. And then they would do their own thing. And then you know what? Sometimes they say, hey, you want me to put in yours? I said, no. You know, you don't wash mine. You wash your own. I can handle mine. You understand me? I want you to wash yours. You understand me? So that later on in life, you can say, hey, I know how to do this because my pops taught me this. You know, sometimes talking about it make you a little emotional, you know? But you know what the most important thing about it is? I would learn. You understand me? You know what the boss would do? 4:30 the boss would go home and he would say, hey, whenever you finish, lock up the joint. And then we'll go in the back garage and I would turn on the bobcat. And I would play with it and I would move it from side to side. I'll join it, just like the trucks. I would play with them every day. And then you learn. You understand me? You learn gradually. You don't learn overnight. Nothing is overnight. Anything you learn overnight is no good at all. Everything is time. We always ready to get out and go to college, or we always ready to hit and go on our own. But when we get on our own, you know what I'm saying? When we reach our 30s, you know, early, late 20s, early 30s, we start to party. We want to have a good time. But when you start to hit your 40s, then you realize, hey, things change. Life, you understand me? That clock up there ticking. You understand? That clock won't stop for nobody. Not even for me. You understand? So, you gotta step up your game, you know what I'm saying? You gotta do something for people behind you. You can post me in Harris with a shovel in the bar too, but you gotta post me. You understand me? If you want to sell a story, you gotta sell that individual. You just can't sell Harris. You gotta sell what you gotta let your followers know who that person is.
So the best thing about Jackman is that I know 100%. If I meet with him, I tell him what has to get done and we talk about it and we work together, he is definitely the man who's gonna get this done 110%. Really appreciate having him on our team.
Well, at the end of the day, you know, we dug up for a 3-inch sprinkler. We're gonna get a wet connection tomorrow, and then tomorrow we're gonna finish piping out, and then we're gonna get an inspection. Hopefully, we got time to call for guarantee street. You understand me? One job finished, another one start. Gotta go home and deal with the kids. My job is never over. You understand? After one job, there's another one.